Yes, sirree. Perrin shift stop day. Good times. Alrighty, I gotta say I kind of like it when we have these little really basic, easy things that only need a couple. So yeah, hex for your driver if you don't want to use the hex key that they give you. Pair of pliers always for anything finicky with nuts. And yeah, I think I got a 7mm there. So that's for tightening those little nuts up, and everything should be good. So I'll see you on the flip side. Now, we're just gonna need the 7mm, so we'll just go along until we 4, 5, 6, 6, 5. Just gonna go ahead and need the 7mm. You son of a bitch! Calm and composed. Of course there's no 7mm. There must be a 7. Oh, we're just gonna be popping that out, replacing them with the little longer nuts there. Give it a little wiggle and tug, make sure she lines up properly, and then stop fucking up going into first and second. And then once you've popped those off and you've got that washer centered right nicely in the middle, you're ready to rip and roll. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So yeah, we've already put the washer on there. These things are so tiny and your hands are so not tiny like mine. It's a bit of a thing, so just try your best to not drop shit. I'm not gonna hold this camera and try and do this and be tricky because I'm gonna fucking drop it and swear real loud. So I'm just gonna go like clip. Yes, yes. Yeah, so just seat that up, make sure she's all centered up there. New do to boot it, hand tight, wrench tight, quarter pass snug, no more no less. Fucking A, kids. Okay, now you're gonna want to make sure when you're torquing these down, like when you actually go to like more than hand tighten them, you're gonna notice that your OEM shift stop moves and the Perrin moves every time you twist it righty tighty, right? So you just want to make sure that when it's kind of hand tightened, you've got it really snug up against it. You go into first, and at the top of first, you just push it over, and that will just create a little gap down there. And then you go down to second, same thing. Little space gap, up to fifth, and the same thing over on your stock shift stop over there. You see it just giving it that nudge. Down to 6, and then same thing. And once you've got all those space gaps created, put it in the middle. Make sure you didn't move it anywhere, and then tighten them down. And you know, quarter pass snug, get it in there. But yeah, that's about all there is to it. So that was the Perrin shifter stop install, and you know, if it helped you out, if you learned anything, learned what not to do, or just found it, you know, moderately entertaining, you know, go ahead and bam, like, subscribe, help me out on the channel, and we'll keep on going on adventures together. This is some basic shit, just the beginning, my friends. It's just the beginning. Yeah, hope you guys have a kick-ass awesome day. Next time on Jurassic Parked.